Hey guys, and welcome back to another dance tutorial here at Learn How to Dance, where you can find simple, easy, and step-by-step dance tutorials. Okay, so some of you know that I already have a tutorial on how to do the wiggle walk, aka the Charleston, whatever you call it, which is basically the move that you need in order to do the jaywalk. And I also explained how to do the jaywalk in my Get Up Dance Challenge tutorial, but many of you were complaining that I didn't explain it properly, and that's probably because I actually just posted the link for my wiggle walk video, and then I explained the head and the arms in my Get Up Dance Challenge tutorial. But now, since Fortnite just released the Jaywalk dance as one of their dancing mode, I'm gonna do a full, complete dance tutorial on how to do the jaywalk. As always, thank you guys so much for all the requests, and thank you, Hui, for being the first one to request it. So we're gonna do this step by step, and I'm gonna make it as easy as possible for you beginners out there. So I always say that when you wanna learn a certain dance move, try to keep it small and subtle in the beginning when you practice, and then afterwards, when you become better, you can always exaggerate. Now, I'm gonna teach you how to do the wiggle walk first, where you do bounce up and down, or aka the Charleston. And then I can show you how to do the jaywalk, because then it's easier. Then you know the principle, and then you can actually do the jaywalk. Yeah? Alright, so we're gonna do this in baby steps. The first thing I want you to practice is just doing a lot of small jumps. Doesn't look like we're jumping, but we are. We're saying jump, jump. Notice how the ball of my foot here is still planted on the ground. Yeah? So I still want to do this in order not to lift my whole foot, right? So I want to do whoop, whoop, and not whoop, whoop. So whoop, 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 whoop. And it's important that you jump so that you don't use your strength to say whoa, whoa. Alright, so second thing I want you to practice is putting your feet like this. So let's just say our left is in front of our right. You want to lift your right foot, so you're standing on one foot. Now you want to do like we practiced before. But now you want to turn your heel like that. Yeah, so I went from here to here. And I want to do that while I'm doing the jump. So I'm saying, ha. Let's just do that again. Now you want to stand up near a wall to keep the balance, or you can just do like this, if you're okay with that. But what you want to practice is saying, whoop. Yeah, just this leg, right, left leg. Heel is to the side. Okay, so once you can do to the side, what I want you to do is bring it back. Yeah, so heel is going back to the original position. So I'm saying out, in, here, here. So the first one is tap. Now a second jump again, tap. And actually, now already you can practice saying up. Yeah, so remember, this one goes to the side. Up. Now I want to bring it down in front of my left. So my right is going in front of my left, like that. Yeah, so the left is saying ha, ha. Right is just saying up, down. 5, 6, 7, 8, up, bam. Let's try that again. And remember the jumps, you're not lifting it like that, because then you'll get tired pretty quickly if you can do it at all. So let's try that again. Jump, jump. 5, 6, 7, 8, jump, jump. Okay, now what I want you to do is practice to the opposite side. So here, the right is in front of my left, and then I want to say to the side, back. Let's try that again. Right in front of my left. 5, 6, 7, 8, side, down. Again. 5, 6, 7, 8, side, back. Okay, let's try to combine it. So we're gonna say left in front of my right. I'm gonna say up, down, up, down. Let's try that again. So left in front of my right. I wanna say up. Now, down, again, opposite side, up, down. Okay, so now you know how to do up, down, up, down. You can continue, practice, and then you can speed up when you get comfortable. So basically you're just doing this jumping motion up and down. Now I know it's not the jaywalk yet, but you need to learn this before you can do the jaywalk. Okay, so once you can do this, you're ready for the jaywalk. Now the jaywalk is basically just being up on your toes the whole time. Yeah, so you're not bouncing up and down like we did before. That was just to practice this move. Now what I want you to do is just stay up on your toes and do the exact same thing. Whoop. And this obviously requires a bit more strength. Yeah, but it's the same principle. And you would have to keep it small in order to do it fast. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Whoop, 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 whoop. Yeah, so always up on your toes. Doing this one leg in front of the other. Okay, now to the easy part. The arms are just here. Yeah, so 90-degree-ish. And then you wanna wiggle your head. Yeah, either you do it here from side to side. That's actually more difficult than just doing it like that. So you wanna do whoop, 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 whoop. Now the key to make it look good is that you wanna keep this loose and only flex up here, and your head the same, loose. So you don't wanna do you wanna do small movements. Alright guys, that's it for this step-by-step dance tutorial on how to do the jaywalk. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time.